It's a bit wet out here, guys. Just a little. God, look at those clouds. Hopefully that's not us. Are we going to yell, it's coming right for us?
Not very pleasing. Not that animated.
Why not so?
I'm not a toddler. You've got smears on your...
It'll do. It'll do. We've got a whole symphony now going here, Zoe. They're both Volvos. Alright guys, so that's knowing you, we're headed for the boat. Should we go to the other side of the boat? I waved. I feel hurt that I'm the only one that waved, sorry. Wow, that's dark clouds, that. What kind of ship is that? BYD. Is that a car carrier? Must be.
That's Chinese.
Yeah, BYD, a Chinese firm. Cold enough now?
Yep. Chilly enough for you, James? Well, your legs should be fine, right?
I'm fine, James.
Covered in hair.
Nah, but I grew up in a far colder place than this when I was your age. Not really, I was just before your age.
Windbreaker. Wind. You just stand and drop it.
Yeah.
So Southampton's somewhere that way.
I don't know, James. It's somewhere.
That's just a peninsula of some sort.
See, you need to drink more ginger juice and you'll be fine.
No, but it's a difference when it's just a bit chilly and there's no wind, and then when it's chilly,
Oh, absolutely, James. I can see. They're thinking, what is this guy doing in shorts? What is wrong with him? Sorry, no access today. Hey James, the wind is stopping.
there's a north wind.
Oh. Thank you.
That's another entrance.
Oh,
Hey mate, after Christmas it's going to get even worse in a minute. Dual carriage rides. They're closing the road from Southampton to Fishport, aren't they?
found anything interesting we can do there?
It's just called the museums on it.
Nice. I'm pro museums, you know that.
Hopefully we can go on the steam railway.
Hopefully.
No, but you have to take a train from a different station to get to the steam railway anyway.
I think we'll get there.
Because you cannot drive to the steam railway unless you drive to Newton.
That's a bit much. Oh, this boat is kicking today, James.
Want to get some more bus times? Get some bus times. I think so. It's free, it says.
It is all free.
Did you guys bring some bus times? We're going to be driving now.
Yeah, we're driving.
We'll be good. You
Yeah,
never
keep
know.
it.
If the car breaks down.
Exactly. Yeah, but I think the most kindest thing we could do now is drive, James.
National Trust. Discover an island of nature.
Very good.
Isle of Wight map. Is this just... What's the difference? I think this is more of a description, and this tells you about National Trust places.
Oh, why not?
Venator is as long as Shackling up to Southampton, but it isn't as big because it's thin.
Good to know, James.
Hopefully we go here because that's where Colton Bay is.
Oh, by freshwater. Of course we're going to go to James. We're on a bodyboard.
So basically it's in one of these books, I think, because it's National Trust.
Excellent. Let's check it out. Let's see if your mom has thawed out. Was there any other places to explore here? What's the signature lounge?
Please note this door is locked during the sale. If you wish to gain access, please ring the bell. Okay, yeah, we're not doing that.
It's like one of those fancy lounges at airports.
That's for the posh people.
I'm posh, James.
That's what English people say, posh people.
I am posh. Maybe on the other side then. There. I don't see her. Weird. There you go, Zay.